These fun and simple videos about everyday objects explaining how they work are getting millions of views. Here's how you can make them too. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Object Talk and select this GPT model. Click Start Chat and type in an object you want the video to be about. For example, type phone. The GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts, 5 short scripts. The first prompt is the main one. It focuses on your main object, like the phone. The other 4 prompts are for related objects, like a battery or notification bar. Copy the main prompt from the GPT's output. Click the link the GPT gives you. It takes you to OpenArt. In OpenArt, go to the Image tab. Click Create Image. Choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Paste your prompt. Set the size to 9:16 for shorts. Set the resolution to 2K. Click Create. Do the same for the other 4 prompts. Here's an example of what Nano Banana Pro generated for me. It looks really good. You can use this exact method for anything, even food. Try typing ketchup into the GPT. You'll get a main prompt about ketchup and related prompts like sauce or bottle. Then follow the same image creation steps. You can make visuals just like these. Now it's time to turn your images into short videos. Copy the script the GPT gave you. Back in OpenArt, click on the Image to Video button at the top, choose the Kling 2.6 model. In the input box, type something like, "The cartoon face is saying," then paste your script right after that. Set the duration to 10 seconds. You'll get a short animated clip with your image talking. I tried this with a few different images, and these are the results I got. Stop sniff testing me like I'm guilty. I'm fine until you leave the door open for a full minute. You want freshness? Quit warming my whole neighborhood. 5% isn't confidence. It's fear. Every scroll is a gamble, and you never stop. I never sleep. Buzz, swipe, scroll, repeat. My battery drains like your attention span, and I still have to wake you up tomorrow. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.